How to optimize and manage your credit. Credit matters a lot. Your credit score and access to personal and business credit cards significantly impact your financial freedom. In this guide, I will share practical, actionable strategies to improve your credit, including how to make credit balances disappear from your personal credit report. I'll walk you through my proven methods and explain the inner workings of credit. Whether you're dealing with inflation, job loss, or business challenges, understanding credit is essential. Why credit is your financial lifeline. Credit acts as financial insurance during tough times. A solid credit limit saved me during difficult periods, helping me balance both personal and business expenses. I maintained an 850 to 843 credit score while leveraging credit limits effectively. Credit factors, understanding the basics. Your credit score is determined by 5 factors. 1. Payment history, 35%. Always pay your bills on time. Missing payments negatively impacts your score for up to 7 years. 2. Credit utilization, 30%. Keep your usage ratio below 30%, ideally 10%, of your total credit limit. 3. Credit age, 15%. Maintain long-standing credit accounts for a better score. 4. Credit mix, 10%. A diverse credit profile, e.g., credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, is beneficial. 5. New credit/hard inquiries, 10%. Limit how often you apply for new credit to avoid frequent hard inquiries. Common credit myths debunked. 1. Carrying a small balance helps your credit score. False. While utilization is important, carrying balances does not inherently boost your score. Paying off balances entirely is often better. 2. Zero utilization hurts your credit. Partially true. Having some activity on your cards is beneficial, but it doesn't mean you should carry debt. How credit card reporting works. Credit card companies report your usage to credit bureaus at specific points in the billing cycle. Even if you pay your balance in full each month, your report may show a balance depending on when the company reports it. To maintain a low utilization ratio, pay balances before the reporting date. How to make credit balances disappear. Here's the strategy. 1. Open a business credit card. Many business credit cards don't require an established business. A side hustle like Uber or a planned business idea is sufficient. Apply with an EIN, employer identification number, instead of your SSN. 2. Transfer balances to the business card. Move your personal credit card balances to the business credit card. Business credit balances don't appear on personal credit reports, instantly improving your personal credit utilization ratio. 3. Maximize business credit. Unlike personal credit, business credit is designed for high utilization. Use it responsibly without worrying about penalties. Example, my experience: I transferred $26,346 from a personal credit card to a business credit card. My personal credit utilization dropped to 0%, improving my score while maintaining financial flexibility. The business credit card balance doesn't affect my personal credit report, and lenders see me as low risk. Tips for long-term credit success. 1. Never close old accounts. Keep long-standing accounts open to maintain credit age. Even unused accounts add value to your credit profile. 2. Use all cards occasionally. Prevent issuers from canceling accounts due to inactivity. Use each card for small purchases and pay them off monthly. 3. Avoid late payments. Late payments can hurt your credit score for years. Automate payments to stay consistent. 4. Diversify your credit mix. Incorporate a variety of credit types for a balanced profile. Why business credit is a game changer. Business credit allows for higher utilization without impacting personal credit. Lenders expect businesses to borrow more and leverage funds for growth. Properly managing business credit separates personal liabilities from business finances.